The following performance is spear techniques, and so the people probably know we have Peking opera in China. So it's opera. It's probably 200 years old already, and there's a lot of the beautiful techniques and good costumes, and so we're going to show you. And Barbara Chen is going to perform for the following program. And so you see here is a very beautiful costume. It's for the Peking Opera. And what she's going to do is, this is a spear. Usually is the people, when after the battle, right, you win. So the winner of the battle is come to here, show you weapons and show you technique. So please give a warm applause. Barbara Chen. The tradition here is when you enjoy the show, right? You want to show your enjoyment and appreciation during the performance. You just say "how" means great. So try to feel free to do so. And you're picking up some culture stuff today. So let's do it together. We practice together once. Okay, say "how." Yeah, when you hear something good and you want to express your enjoyment, appreciation, just say "how." Okay, the louder is better. All right.